Okay, well, I'll do this and then I'll go and get the bed.
Yeah, I'd net it and just leave it in the net. Not bad, is it?
Looks alright. I told you that was a good place.
It's alright. Having a bit more of a fight now. Struggling to get him out.
Do you want me to hold the net whilst you...
You can net him if you want, yeah.
Oh, he's just clipped the net there.
He's not ready yet.
He's not, is he?
I don't know.
He's nice.
You alright?
Oh my goodness.
What?
He's a nice fish.
He's alright, isn't
Yeah. He's a lovely fish.
he?
Yeah, Stephen might actually like this one. I think this is the one that Stephen's after.
Okay. 2 pop-up corns.
Nice. It's the biggest one of the day so far. Certainly.
I thought it was by the amount of time it was paying for.
Yeah. See him?
Oh yeah, long, isn't it?
Have you got scales on or not?
No. Afraid not. No scales. You need to pick that up.
Mum's got some.
You need to have a
I've
picture.
got 2 fish, look.
Oh. Stephen.
Yeah.
He caught 2 fish. Oh. And a release? Oh. Oh, nice. Good first catch.
Not bad.
No, it's not. That's the problem when they're so tight, isn't it? It's starting me sweating from putting a bloody bivvy up.
You couldn't grab me cradle.
Yes, I can. Would you like the meat out of it? There we go. That's a lovely fish, Stephen.
Is it?
For a first one here, yeah. I think so. You haven't been out that long, have you?
No. I'm just recasting.
Not a very productive night for myself. I had a couple of knocks, but no takers. Stephen had 2 fish. He landed 2. Travis's had a lot of fish waving at him and splashing around him, but sounds like perhaps his rig wasn't laying quite right. When he's taken it out this morning to have a look, he seems to think that that might have been the issue. So he's rebaited up and he's just fishing under the bridge there again. So hopefully he'll catch something soon. I've just cast out one just into slightly towards the lily pads, and then the other one I've kept to the margin on the opposite side of the bank. Where there's a lot of bashing of the line, I guess, because I've got a maggot ring on, so the line is being pulled about a bit by some of the little silverfish, but other than that, nothing yet. Travis is set up over by the bridge, so what's actually wrong with him is someone is actually throwing into his swim, so he's not overly happy about that. Oh, yeah, they're going straight in. This carp fishing, I don't know. How many people end up in a punch up, I wonder? So, yeah, anyway. Arrived here. Stephen actually arrived before I did, which was a godsend because he did help me to walk in all the gear. So that's the bivvy that I did manage to set up. Well, almost all of it. I did need some help towards the end there. Trav set up over the end there. Oh, where there's now a gentleman moving in on his space. You can see Travis's face is not happy there. And Stephen set up this end of the lake. It's just starting to get a little bit dark now. He's got his new bite alarms there. I'm sure it's all... Oh! That was timing. Are you going to go?
No.
Maybe not. So Stephen's all set up over here.
A big one, yeah.